In this video, we're going to take a look at the min-max settings. The min-max is used in conjunction with the automated purchasing system to help you reorder product once you get to a certain level. The min-max or the reorder points are set on the inventory records themselves. So they are on the location on hands tab of the inventory record. And here you have safety stock and max stock. Safety stock is the minimum stock, max stock is the max stock. And so when you set the safety stock or the minimum stock, in this example I have it set to 2, and I have my maximum set to 4. If I have this set to 2 and I get down to 2, nothing happens. It does not tell you to do anything because you're at your minimum. Once you go below this 2 though, so we're at 1 right now, that triggers the automated purchasing system and it tells you to order up to your maximum. So let's go look at that. So right now we've got our minimum set to 2, we've got our maximum set to 4. Again, because we are below 1, over here we have 1 on hand, it is going to prompt us to order another one of these. We're actually going to prompt us to order 3 of these, and I'll show you why. So let's save this. We go up to POs, we go to Product Purchase Worksheet. I'm going to select the location that I want to order for. We get into this in more depth in a purchasing video. This is just strictly about the min-max system. Continue. Now if we look, it's telling me, this is the part code we were looking at, it's telling me we need to order 3 because we have 1 on hand, we have 2 as our minimum stock, 4 as our maximum stock. Now it's telling us we're short 1 because we are 1 below our minimum, so we are short 1. But it's telling us to order 3 because it's going to take the 3 we order, combine it with what we have on hand to get back up to our maximum. So if we had 0 on hand, this would be 4, and this would be 2. So again, our minimum is 2, our maximum is 4. We are short 1 because we have 1 on hand, and so it's telling us to order 3 because 3 plus 1 on hand gets us back to 4. So I'm going to process this. Now I can actually double-click this and go into the record and make changes if I want to. Those changes will not be reflected as far as suggested quantities until you do the product purchase worksheet again. So I'm going to process this. And it created a PO. Now it created a PO to Ingram Micro, and it has other product on there that I had already placed on this PO. This PO was unprocessed, and because it was unprocessed to Ingram Micro, and the item that we were looking at was default vendor was Ingram Micro, and you can see that by looking at the item. This is the default vendor, was Ingram Micro. So because this was Ingram Micro and I had an unprocessed Ingram Micro PO, it just added to this PO. That's a good way to just keep adding to a PO until you finally get to your prepaid minimums for any particular vendor.